Good morning, everybody. 20 minutes before the top of the hour. Beautiful sunrise this morning. It's nice to see that after a cloudy and rainy day yesterday. Maybe that's a little motivation to get up and get going. However, the next image I show you might not be very motivating at all. Remember, our tower cam here in downtown Terre Haute is very high in the sky, over 600 feet or at least near that. And what we've got, again, is a picture over some fog on the ground. And here you go, the News 10 traffic cam showing us traffic on 41 down to the south. This is south of the 41 Spring Hill intersection, looking to the south. And again, the car gets just a little more than a quarter of a mile away, and there you go, it's gone into the fog. So it's tough to see if you're going to be out traveling this morning, even though the sun is technically up. Put on your headlights there and watch here on the left-hand side of your screen some traffic coming at you. Again, if they didn't have their headlights on, you wouldn't see them at this point. And again, just exercise caution this morning. We do have some foggy spots out and about this morning. As far as rain showers, nothing like that right now, but we are going to deal with a chance for rain this afternoon again. We've got a lot of moisture around. We're putting the moisture on the ground back into the atmosphere right now in the form of some fog. That'll translate into a few clouds today, and with the continued heat up, those clouds will continue to grow, and therefore we'll just see a spotty rain shower here, a spotty rain shower there, and that's the physics of the whole deal. That's exactly how it works. We've got a few clouds around this morning, 66 in Terre Haute, 69 in Robinson. Temperatures are up. It doesn't feel bad outside. Still a bit on the muggy side, just again, so much moisture's out there. Thick clouds back out into Missouri are going to try to move eastward, mainly down to the south, but we will see clouds develop just because everybody got rain yesterday, and with all this moisture on the ground and the sun out right now, that whole water cycle bit, it'll start to evaporate a little bit. It'll condense as it cools, as it gets higher, and it will create clouds that technically aren't there right now. So foggy spots this morning with continued moisture being put back into the atmosphere this afternoon and temperatures climbing to 87. Some spotty rain showers will be around this afternoon, so we're going to keep our eyes on that, but don't rule out rain today. This morning it looks like you're going to be okay, but again, it looks like the best threat for thunderstorms and severe weather's south and down to the west and to the east of us, but the general threat for thunderstorms not out of the question. And yeah, just by putting moisture back in the atmosphere can cause thunderstorms, and that's what's going to try to happen today. Watch the computer models, and again, they don't put a whole lot of this moisture back into the atmosphere as far as thunderstorms, but they do have a few spotty rain showers trying to develop here and there. Not so much back out to the west, but I'm telling you, don't rule out rain back out here to the west of where I'm standing. That would be into eastern Illinois. You've got an equal chance for rain showers, just like somebody on the Indiana side of things as well. Upper 80s, I know. All I've got is good news, a chance for rain, and yeah, it gets hot outside. Overnight tonight down into the mid-60s, still some clouds hanging around. Maybe a spotty shower or two, but overwhelmingly it looks like temperature is going to be the big weather story the next few days. Near 90 degrees tomorrow. Yes, again with the moisture on the ground, the sun out there, and then the instability factor getting higher. The warmer it gets, we will find that a few spotty rain showers trying to develop again yet tomorrow. This trend lasts into the first part of Friday. Matter of fact, some spotty rain showers are going to stay in your forecast right up through Saturday. Day-to-day chances for rain through that point. So your forecast is this: high of 87 degrees today, foggy spots this morning, partly cloudy skies otherwise, and a few areas of afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms trying to develop because we're putting that moisture back in the atmosphere. All right, 65 degrees, partly cloudy tonight, and again, a spotty rain shower or two tomorrow. High of 89 on our way to 91 by Friday. Briefly cooler for Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, the better day of the weekend without the rain chances. Back up to 91 degrees by Tuesday. So I hope that makes sense, Abby. We've got a lot of moisture on the ground. The skies have cleared. With the winds calm, that moisture's got to go somewhere. So it's coming up to basically just right here on the lower levels of where we stand and work and play, turning into some fog. Give it a couple hours, that'll lift to clouds, and then you just keep pumping in this heat today. Those clouds will get taller, more moisture, and once they get so much in them, it starts to rain a bit.